Hey everyone, if you're in the market for a brand new home, you might have noticed something called an incentive listed next to certain properties. But what exactly does that mean and how can it benefit you? Stick around because today I'm breaking down how these builder incentives work and how you can use them to save big on your next home purchase. So what is an incentive? Simply put, an incentive is a financial perk offered by the builder, normally a flat amount, let's just say $10,000, that you, as the buyer, can apply toward different costs. Think of it as flexible money that helps make buying a new home more affordable. And the best part, you get to decide how to use it. So how can you use these incentives? Builders offer these incentives to give buyers a little extra financial flexibility, and you can mix and match how you apply them. Here are some of the most common ways that home buyers use these funds. First way is closing cost assistance. Buying a home comes with additional expenses like lender fees, title costs, prepaid taxes, and insurance. By applying your incentive money here, you can reduce the amount of cash you need up front at your closing. The second way is interest rate buydowns. You want a lower monthly mortgage payment? Use your incentive funds to buy down your interest rate. You can apply it toward a 2-1 temporary buydown, which temporarily lowers your interest rate for the first 2 years, or a 30-year fixed rate buydown for a permanently lower rate throughout the whole term. This means you can save hundreds on your mortgage payment every month. The third way to use it is home upgrades and extras. Need some finishing touches for your new home? You can also use the incentive money for a new refrigerator, washer and dryer, windows, blinds, fencing, gutters, and other upgrades. Basically anything to make your new house feel like home from day one. So how do you maximize those incentives? Every home and builder may have different rules on how incentives can be applied. So working with a knowledgeable lender, like me, can help you structure your offer to get the most out of these funds. I'll help you figure out the best way to use the incentives based on your financial goals, whether that's saving on upfront cost, lowering your mortgage rate, or adding those finishing touches to your home. So final thoughts. Builder incentives are a fantastic way to make buying a new home more affordable, but these programs vary by property and are only available for a limited time. So, if you're thinking about purchasing a new construction home and want to take full advantage of these savings, reach out today. I'd love to help you explore your options and find the best way to put this money to work for you. Call, text, or DM me anytime. I'm Adam Black, your lender for your life. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any questions. I'll see you in the next one.